Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy recipe which needs only 5 minutes. Yes, you only need 5 minutes. Let's go. So here is our ingredients: only 2 loaves of bread and an egg. And I will add some spices like onions, tomatoes, and some coriander leaves. So I will show you later. So let's see. So guys, here is my add-ons for this recipe. I mean, this makes me feel like spices without any tomatoes, because I will add some tomato ketchup throughout the breads. So I'm showing you the process of this recipe. Okay. So for this I have to take a round glass, yes, this kind of glass, and place it here like this, and cut the middle piece of the bread. Yes. Here it is. Yeah, I've cut it, and now I have to place this bread. I mean, you have to select this kind of bread, which is not like this in the bottom, and then place this bread like this. Okay, so here is the blank space. So I will add the egg yolks and the white part in here. Okay, so before that I will add those onions and coriander leaves there. It will make some tasty spices, tasty flings. Okay, like that. Yes, I am going to add some tomato ketchup. Okay, that's good. I will mix it evenly. Try to mix it evenly throughout the bread, only the side part, because in the middle part the egg will be there. I think it is okay. Okay, so let's go. Here is the look. So after doing this, you have to press it by in the side, to the side, just to make sure that the egg is only stunned by only these round shaped areas. Okay, yes, I think we are good to go. Yeah, yes, now we need to add the egg. Look at this. Yes, now I need to take this and put it in the oven for only 2 minutes. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. Yes. I also put some salt and black pepper powder so that it is also some taste. And look at this. So here is our new recipe. Yes, it looks really delicious, and it only took 5 minutes. Okay, so what should I do? These things. Okay, so here you go. Very quick and easy recipe for you for your breakfast. You can take it. Now Let's enjoy itself. So it's really delicious. I think you should try this at home. It can save your time. You can make it within 5 minutes. So yeah, okay, let's see you in the next videos. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that every time when I upload a video you can get notified.